YouTube is the world's second largest social network. YouTube is now pulling in over 1.8 billion users every single month. And this is just behind Facebook. YouTube also is the second largest search engine on the web, just behind Google search. There are 8.2 million searches per month in the United States and 25.7 million searches worldwide. Another reason why YouTube is so important in your affiliate online business, YouTube is owned by Google, and therefore YouTube has a greater search rank in Google search results. And this also means that Google will give searcher to reach information in YouTube much more easier than others. So we want to set up a professional YouTube channel, so when people come to our channel, it will give them the confidence and trust. Go to youtube.com and click the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen. You are going to sign in via the same email address you use to create your Google business account, then to access the YouTube menu at any time. It is in the top corner, so click that to expand the YouTube menu and then click My Channel. The very first thing that we want to set up is the channel art. The channel art, which is the top banner that user will see when they search and actually click through to your channel page on YouTube. It is also the very first thing that user will see once they reach your page. So you need to make sure that the image looks good and fit the screen. Use the image size of 2560 times 1440 pixel. You might be wondering, what sort of images of design that I need to use? Well, the easiest way is to look at your competitors. A very good example of a highly optimized YouTube channel is this BuzzFeed video channel. As you can see over here, on the top here, they have linked to their social medias, a features video, and also everything is well organized in category. And we want to do that as well. So now once you get your channel art done, the next thing that I want you to do is to set up your own playlist. As you can see on my YouTube channel, inside my playlist, I have all my videos organized based on the topic. When you click on the View Full Playlist, all the related videos are organized nicely for the user. A YouTube channel that with videos all over the places will not get as much attention. So now go to your profile at the top right and click on YouTube Studio. On the top left over here, click on Others Features and Playlists. So those are all my videos. You probably do not have any videos yet. Now let's go to New Playlist. Give your playlist a name. Click on Edit and Add Video. You have three options over here. Video search, where you can search and add others video from YouTube itself. You can also directly add the video by pasting the YouTube URL over here. What we are more interested over here is this, your YouTube video. From here, we get to add all of our videos based on the category and also contents. You probably will not see any videos over here yet. So the best way to practice this is to create your very first video on the products that you are selling. Just click on Add Video when you have done your video selection. Adding playlist at homepage. After creating your playlist, we need to add it on our YouTube channel homepage. Just go back to Home and click on Add section. A few options that you can select from, such as Created Playlist, Single Playlist, or Save Playlist. What I prefer the most is the single playlist. Choose the video playlist that you want to display on your channel. I will prefer to put all playlists. If you have a really long playlist, I will suggest you to put a maximum of 6 playlists on it, as user will not scroll all the way down to search for your videos. So all you need to do is just repeat the whole adding process. Features video. Next, we want to maximize our YouTube channel engagement rate with our user. We want people to feel welcome and subscribe to our channel. So we want to put a features video on our YouTube. A great example is from this channel Crash Course, where they teach mainly psychology courses. This Crash Course introduction video is what we want to put into our YouTube channel. At the same spot that we left just now, did you see this feature content button? This is exactly how you can put a video to engage with your existing and also new user. YouTube allowed 2 different versions of your videos. One is for returning subscriber and another one is for new visitor. So for returning visitor, you may want to put a different videos. Let's click on features content now. So for returning subscriber, I might want to straight away give them the full online courses that I have for this week. On the other hand, for a new visitor, I might just want to create a video to introduce myself and also how my channel is going to help them in starting up an online business. Both videos are very important, as the returning videos are aimed to retain your user, why they need to stay, and the welcome video is to give reason for user to why they should subscribe to your YouTube channel. Next, we are going to add an end screen subscribe button to our YouTube video. What is end screen button? As you can see at the end of this video, there is a button over here that prompts user to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is an end screen button. Let's learn how you can put this in. Go back to our profile and click on YouTube Studio. As you can see over here, everything that involves configuring your YouTube channel will need to be done in YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, Channel and Branding. So you can display the end screen logo at your preference time, end of the videos, a custom start time, or also entire video. So let's try on entire video. I already have my profile over here. Feel free to upload your own icon. Be aware that the photo size need to be 300 times 300 pixel width only. So as you can see now, the whole video has the end screen logo that prompt user to subscribe to my channel. This icon might not be the best logo as it just show up but did not tell what user they need to do. So a better icon will be this, as it will tell your user to subscribe to my channel. Next, we are going to add some social media link on our YouTube channel banner. So all you need to do now is just go to Customize Channel, click on About. Okay, just before we learn how to add social media links, I want to quickly grab your attention over this description box. So this is where YouTube or Google get to rank your channel higher on a specific niche that you are at. So just make sure that you include some sort of short and long tail keywords inside your description box over here. Now let's go down a bit lower. You get to see Customize Links. And this is where you can insert all your social media links to your YouTube channel. YouTube allows a maximum of 5 of it. So just put the name for your social media and include the link inside this URL box. You can add another 4 of it. When you are done, just click on Done. So this is how it will appear on your YouTube channel. And the last thing that we want to do is to customize our YouTube URL. So just go to youtube.com/account_advanced. Channel settings, click here and you get 2 options, Winghorn or Winghorn with your added preferences name. The name for your YouTube channel is following your Google account. So if you want to change it on your Gmail. You can add more wordings for these options. I am pretty cool with Winghorn itself, so I will just proceed with it. So over here, you get to see the difference between the old and the new URL. The new one is much more tidy and clean compared to the old one. Let's have a recap. In this lecture, you have learned how to customize below elements in your YouTube video, the channel art, playlist, features video, and screen notes, adding social media, and also customize URL. I hope that you learned some new stuff in this lecture, and this is how you can optimize your YouTube channel. I will see you on the next lecture.